Good morning. I hope your week is off to a good start. Mine got off to a good start was as we worshiped in fellowship with some friends at Taylorville Evangelical Free Church yesterday. A great day of worship and fellowship as I proclaimed God's word about the importance of walking in the fear of God rather than the fear of man. As we approach this assignment for this week, I'm going to use that situation. As I arrived there early, uh, I was greeted and we chatted with a number of friends and just interacted. We had a public belonging, we had a social belonging, and later I had a personal belonging with the associate pastor. And as we celebrated communion, I'm certain that some people, if not many, experienced an intimate relationship with God and perhaps with each other. So the assignment this week is to prepare I prefer a chart that in column 1 we would have the room, foyer, sanctuary, fellowship hall, kitchen, and if you don't have 10 rooms in your building, make some virtual rooms. And then the second column would be the kinds of belonging that would happen in that room, that might happen in that room. And then the third column would be a brief explanation of how that happens. So it doesn't need to be complex, but I think that we need to understand, even as I have illustrated with the sanctuary, that multiple kinds of belonging can happen in the same room. That's an important thing as we understand the geography of relationships. We're to read the chapters 4 to 7 in Meyer's book this week, and then we're to discuss which kind of belonging do you think this MDL class provides. Support your perspective with specific examples, but also think carefully what might be done to develop a deeper level of belonging, and might that become a benefit, an enhancement, or would it be a burden? For instance, I've thought about having a group video conference, shall we say, every Tuesday night. But then I began to think about it. That makes an additional burden for every student, and not everybody could show up at a certain time on Tuesday night. So while you may be trying to work at blending the group, you may be actually dividing the group because only part of the group could meet at that time. And to do it every week, I don't know. Well, that kicks you off on some good thinking. God bless you as you work this week